Hi smart investors, today I'll be talking about Coinbase, a cryptocurrency exchange that allows its users to buy, sell and store cryptocurrencies. They'll be the first major cryptocurrency exchange in the world to list on a US stock exchange. They'll be listing on the 14th of April 2021, this Wednesday, under the ticker COIN. Coinbase have forgone the traditional IPO method of using an investment banker to do all the hard work and determine a stock price. By going down the path of a DPO, a direct public offering, it'll allow their current company insiders and their current shareholders to be able to sell immediately. There's no lockdowns or any rules around that handcuffing them to a specific time limit. They can sell immediately on IPO day, as well as saving the company themselves 3.5% to 7% on the gross IPO proceeds. Now, before we get stuck into the details of Coinbase, let's have a look at the cryptocurrency as an overall whole, because it largely affects Coinbase and its revenue and future growth as well. So let's do it. The cryptocurrency market has exploded once again after hitting all-time highs in 2018 before violently falling back down to earth. Now, the new bull run seemed to start around the 20th of October 2020 with the first and biggest cryptocurrency based on market capitalization, Bitcoin, now worth $1.1 trillion, going up from 12,000 USD to today at 60,000 USD, a 400% increase. Altcoins, basically any coin other than Bitcoin, have also exploded as well, with investors flocking to the sector, trying to make a quick buck and a lot of gains very quickly. I know what you're thinking. This happened last time. The huge bull run and then it just crashed so severely and left a lot of people holding bags. You're right, that did happen. And whilst I don't think the bull run's going to last forever, I don't think it's going to crash as heavily as it did last time. We've seen a greater public adoption for it as more people know about it and starting to understand it more, as well as company adoption. We've seen big companies like Tesla invest $1.6 billion into Bitcoin, as well as allowing the customers to buy Tesla cars with Bitcoin. PayPal and Square are also adding Bitcoin to their general ledgers, as well as allowing customers to pay with cryptocurrencies. So this kind of adoption is very strong for the sector, and it shows that there is future growth for it. Crypto isn't just used for speculative investing. It can be used for payments, privacy, digital ownership for those that don't want to use a bank but want to enter a financial system. Decentralized app development that allows individuals to develop without a central authority, allowing developer to connect with the user. Whilst cryptocurrencies are quite volatile, there are such things as stablecoins, and these will basically follow a currency or a commodity and fluctuate in relation to the underlying. These could be USD or it could be gold. Now, the market is also open 24/7, so that's something to be aware of. So whether you're up late or up early, you can trade the market anytime you want to. Let's have a quick look at Coinbase and what they actually offer to their customers as a service. Coinbase allows their customers to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. They can store them in their portfolio or transfer them to an external wallet. They have a referral program as well, so you can get your friends to join and you'll receive a little bit of money. They have a recurring payments option, which will allow you to dollar cost average into a cryptocurrency of your choice using a credit card, for example. They have 52 tradable cryptocurrencies available. You can earn free crypto through educational videos, which is very cool. You only get a few dollars here and there, but you never know. That altcoin could be the next thing to explode. They have detailed reporting. Their website and mobile app is super clean and easy to use. Their security is excellent with two-factor authentication and the use of security keys like Yubico. You can even earn interest on the crypto you've purchased, such as Algorand, they offer 6%, Tezos 5%, Cosmos 5%, and DAI 2%, and that's paid daily. Vault protection has time-delayed withdrawals, making your portfolio even more secure. It's also protected by insurance. Their service is available to over 100 plus countries. And if that's not enough for you, they offer a pro service with an awesome trading platform and API support, so you can really take your trading to the next level. They even have a Coinbase Visa debit card allowing you to spend crypto. Whilst I'm not really sure of the logics behind spending cryptocurrencies at this point because of the fluctuations, but hey, you've got that ability. They even have API support for the non-pro service, allowing developers to be able to import data from your portfolio so you can check figures and performance as well. Coinbase operates out of Silicon Valley in America. They were founded in 2012 and have 1,249 staff. 86% of their revenue is generated from transactional fees, majority Bitcoin and Ethereum. So looking at Q1 2019, we can see that they had 66 million in revenue. This tripled into the next quarter at 211 million. We can see that it kind of started to fall down and plateau towards Q4 2019 and then started to double again in Q1 2020, continued to increase gradually, and then by Q4 2020 we can see it's almost doubled at this point, only to explode on estimates for Q1 2021 up to $1.8 billion. That's from the previous quarter of 585 million. That's insane. Taking a look now at their user base. From monthly transacting users, we can see that it hit its all-time high of about 2.7 million in Q1 2018. Then we saw it violently fall by Q2 2018, almost halved, right? And then we can see it kind of just plateaued for a couple of years until around Q1 2020, it really started to pick up again. By Q4 2020, we can see that it's basically at its all-time high for monthly transacting users, only to explode for Q1 2021. Huge amount of volume coming through into the cryptocurrency market, and specifically Coinbase. With over 56 million users, there's no wonder that Coinbase has accelerated its assets on hand from its high in 2018, from 13 billion to $26 billion today. The stock price is yet to be determined, with D.A. Davidson analyst Gil Luria updating his previous estimate of $195 to $440 per share. Coinbase will have 115 million common class A stock available on IPO day. Initial public offerings are extremely risky and volatile. Coinbase's public offering on the 14th of April 2021 will be no exception to this. Adding Coinbase to your portfolio will provide your portfolio an exposure to the cryptocurrency market without the volatility of investing directly into a cryptocurrency. With the fundamentals looking fantastic for Coinbase, the short-term volatility will be determined by the initial stock price that the Coinbase will list at. Going further into the future growth of this company looks fantastic, and I look forward to seeing what they do in the future. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're new to the channel and have enjoyed what you've seen here, please hit subscribe. Look forward to seeing your comments on the video, and hope to see you in the next one. See you guys.